that it's a customer given na still here and I'm starting to very instructive. Yes.
Thank you. What is the nature of your environment here in Pizza Hut or Pizza Hut Star?
Nature, for now this is an operation where we can take challenges or we can always take some learning that we can handle in operation. It's like us cooking, which is normal, but surely we cannot designate those things to happen. Then in operation, we handle people, in terms of product, of course the service, and overall the satisfaction.
My next question is, why did you choose this professional field?
Most likely, of course, it's a choice or it's your passion. How you handle those things. I did not join courses like education, like that. For me, business is a circular process that you can learn every day. Then, I'm happy in operation. Just taking hobbies. For me, I'm not working this. I'm
Our next question is, what is the importance of communication in business? Like reaching some standard, having customers, meetings?
Very important. For example, your team to give some direct instruction on how they will do this, how they will do that. Of course, to get more learning, especially at the front of house service. Sometimes most of the customers bossy that, but of course you treat them like okay, you treat them. It's your profession is just like this. Treat the customer as your supply, your investment. Because of them, you will not get anything. Communicating, you have to listen first. That's why we hired senior college level employees to understand what the words and what the field is about.
Are you familiar or knowledgeable in proper writing of correspondence in business?
Yeah. I'm of course, business administration course, management also, HR. Then, of course, we have to be familiar in everything. It's like the business communication letter. You can use that to promote your business, private sectors, public sectors, or of course, in your tie-ups, you can have it.
What is the biggest conflict you have ever been involved in and not working with your business communication? And how did you handle the situation? For example, you have a complaint. What things do you do? Or how can you conduct the customers if there's a complaint?
Complaint is normal. That's something that's important. Of course, to get your business secured, you have to ask the customer what will happen. You have that will never leave the customer unhappy, because the business will affect, that complaint will affect your business, and then the customer will tell to their friend or his friend in the media or in the social network. So at the end of the day, you have to close the satisfaction of the customer.
It has an big effect in your store.
Yeah, not just in the store, but if that will happen here, it will affect system-wide. System-wide.
What major challenges or problems did you face, or you are currently facing as a boss, or as a manager?
Of course, as a manager, you have to face some, for example, daily process when it comes to sales. You have to produce sales bigger than forecasted last year, and of course, the manpower. In manpower, your team. First, you have to inform regarding attendance, but of course the biggest contribution is their attitude, how they work, how they act, how they listen, how they feel, or they bring passion.
For you, sir, what is the best definition of moving, especially here, as you said earlier, there are and the tools here are called team members.
Goals of teamwork, when all of them are participating in an operation. It's like give an instruction, a clear instruction, correct, successfully. Then of course, one of your team will act on how you instructed. And they will do their job, not just you instruct, but of course, they exceed some extra miles to do their job. Of course, there's some targets that we need to get, but with that, if you think that one team member exceeded that, you will overcome. Exceeded that, you expect like this, but then he or she exceeded it. So that's a win for us. That she or he participated in the game plan that we do for that before every day.
What is passion for you, sir? And
Passion.
also a success.
Passion. For me, passion, you will not get tired. Although you work for 14 hours or more than that, as long as your will are there, you also do everything. Yeah. Then for me, passion, you have a lot. You are your knowledge is not enough to do everything, but to gain more learnings about your passion. And then you always wake up in the morning, then thinking about it after you go home, of course, early, come early to your work, then you live at work happy. That's the passion. Then in success, you will never be success if you do not face those challenges in life. Of course, you'll be success, just like a grade one student. You will never be success if you did not finish this grade 6 level or in high school. But that is a stepping stone to your plan career.
Last question, sir. What educational preparation would you recommend for someone who wants to advance in this field?
Education.
Yes, sir.
There's educational preparation for someone who wants to advance in these fields.
Do you think we need to go to school again to enter this company or not?
So, as long as you have your cash, you can take it and everything you can learn as long as a good listener also will be a good learner. So if you want to try to be a part of the company, you have to learn those things that they need in you. Because as a team, you are engaged in the business. You can do everything as long as you want to be. It's like the member, they want to be a manager. So they will learn how they do, if it's station, if it's station. To get that, after you find those things that you can learn by yourself, you can get it, whatever you want. Career path you want, ladder of success you want, you can do it.
And thank you sir for this day for